Okay, today we will see intramural. Intramural. The word intramural is derived from Latin word. The word intramural is derived from Latin word intra and muralis, where intra means within and muralis means wall. It means that the activity which are performed within the wall or campus of an institution or school is known as intramural. Now let me write it. It means that the activity which are performed within the wall or campus of an institution or school is known as intramural. Now let us see the need and importance of intramural. Need and importance. First point, intramural are very essential for intramural are very essential for physical, mental, emotional and social development and social development of the students. Second point, intramurals refresh the child and make them agile. Intramurals refreshes the child and make them agile. Now third point, intramurals provide maximum recreation to the students. intramural provide maximum recreation to the students. Here the students participates in intramural activity according to their interest. Hence they get a lot of joy, fun and pleasure by participating in such intramural activities. Next point, that is the fourth point, intramural provide ample opportunities. Intramural provide ample opportunities to the students to participate in games and sports. To participate in games and sports of their choice. Now let us see the objectives of intramural. First point, it provides opportunities to the students to participate in games and sports. It provides opportunities to the students to participate in games and sports of their choice. Second point, intramural developed the leadership qualities among the students. Intramural develops the leadership qualities among the students. Third point, it provides recreation to the students. It provides recreation to the students. And the last point, develops the feeling of cooperation. It develops the feeling of cooperation. Now let us see the general principles of intramural. First point, local circumstances. While organizing intramurals, the local circumstances should be kept in mind. Here, local circumstances means the popular game of the school or playground and sports equipments. Second point, interest. The interest of students in various activities of intramural competition must be kept in mind. It means the selection of intramural activities should be based according to the interest of the students. If the activities are not according to the interest of the students, there will be less participation in those activities. Third point is budget. The organization of intramurals should be based on the budget of the school. The budget of the school is sufficient. The organization of the intramurals can be done on a large scale, and if the budget of the school is less, it should be done by seeing that budget. Fourth point, time. It is the most important point. While organizing intramurals, it should be kept in mind that the teaching work should not be disturbed at all. Therefore, the organization of intramural should be before or after the teaching hours. The intramurals may be organized on holidays or in the evening time. So these were the points or principles of intramurals. Now let us see the activities for intramural competitions. Activities of activities for intramural competition. First point, major games. Here under major games, volleyball, hockey, cricket, basketball, kabaddi, swimming, athletics, cycling, wrestling and so on comes. Second point is minor games. In this category, shuttle run, kho-kho, circle games, tag games, roller skating, potato race, sack race and three-legged race comes. Third one is rhythmic. Here in rhythmic, the following things comes: lezzim, dumbbell, marching, folk dance, group dance, solo dance and so on. Now the next point is creative activity. Creative activities. Under this category, painting, drawing and making models and so on comes. The last point, combative activities. Combative in this, boxing, judo, taekwondo, karate and so on comes. So these are the activities for intramural competitions. There may be few more based upon the seeing the interest of the students, we can put it on.